friends, I hope all are fine and studying well. Today we are going to study lesson 6. What is the lesson name? Subject and predicate. Okay. Here we see, here we look at the board. Okay. Look at this group of words. Okay. Rohan, the little cats, the giraffe. Okay. These words name a person. It is telling about name of any person. Like Rohan is a person name. Then things or an animal. Things. The little cat is things name. Then an animal. The giraffe. So these words tells us name of a person, things or an animal. Okay. So they form the subject of the sentence. These words are forming the subject of the sentence. Then now look at these words. Goes to Sarvodaya school. Then are very pretty. Then has a long neck. These words tells something about what? The predicate of the sentence. They tell us about something about the person, place or an animal. Okay, so these are known as predicate of the sentence. As you see here, Rohan goes to Sarvodaya school. So Rohan is the subject and goes to Sarvodaya school is the predicate. Then the little caps are very pretty. So the little caps, this is the subject and are very pretty is the predicate. So the giraffe has a long neck. So here in this sentence, the giraffe is a subject and has a long neck is the predicate of the sentence. So what I have written on the board already, it is there in your book. So look at these words. These words are telling some name of a person, a things or an animal. Then now look at these words as I have written on the board. So goes to Sarvodaya school, are very pretty, has a long neck. This tells about this one. Okay, like first sentence is written here. Okay, Rohan goes to Sarvodaya school. That is written here. Rohan goes to Sarvodaya school. The little cats are very pretty. So here is written the little cats are very pretty. Then the giraffe has a long neck. So here you see the giraffe has a long neck. So in the same way as you understood, I hope you understood through this, that this is the subject and this is the predicate of the sentence on the same sentence. Okay, then in the same way you need to here match. Okay, match the columns in the 8-hour question, match the columns and rewrite the complete sentence. So here subject and here is predicate. This is forming both together, forming a sentence. Like first one, the little dog. You need to see here, you need to read and find out which predicate is matching with this subject. The little dog, what is matching with this? Wagged its tail when it saw the juicy bone. Okay, first answer will be E answer. Then second, my grandfather. Tell us very interesting stories. Then third one, my school bus has many windows. Then fourth one, Rohan woke up in the middle of the night. Then I always, last one, I always say a little prayer before my meals or before my food. Now B type of question is here in the same lesson. What you have to do in this type of question? Circle the subject and underline the predicate in these sentences. You need to circle the subject and underline the predicate. So either you circle, otherwise you can underline this also as it is written. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Gujarat. So Mahatma Gandhi is the subject and was born in Gujarat in predicate. So like this only you need to write down all this and study. The fire burns brightly. So the fire is the subject and burns brightly is the predicate. The next one, we changed our clothes before going to bed. So we is the subject and changed our clothes before going to bed is the predicate. London is the capital of England. London is the subject and is the capital of England is the predicate. My elder brother serves in the army. My elder brother is the subject and serves in the army is the predicate. The teacher is the subject. Asked the boys to go out and play. This is the predicate. The large and noisy audience. This is the subject. Clapped after the show was over. After the program was over, all audience made a sound. So about that is written here. It is very cloudy today. So it is the subject and is very cloudy today is the predicate. So like this only need to write down all these and understand. Okay. So C type of question, what you need to write down here, write suitable predicates for this subject. Here in this type of question, subject is already written here. You need to think and write, okay, by yourself predicate for these sentences. Along with these words, you need to think and write by yourself predicate for each of these sentences. I have written here for you. Okay, so you can write down either this one, otherwise you can think and write, or you can get by some other books also. Okay, the predicate for each of these sentences. For your help, I am writing down all the answers. Okay, for your study. So here you need to write down predicate. Subject is written here. In next type of question, what you have to write here? In D type of question, write suitable subject for these predicates. Here predicate is written here. You need to write down subject. Like first one, the dash stung the poor travelers. Like some insect is there, one is stinging. Okay, so the bees I am writing here. Here mosquitoes also you can write down. Okay, or anything, and then any insect name, any one insect name. Then the dash found a little boy crying under a tree. So just I am written here, I have written here as a suitable subject, the woodcutter. Okay, so you can write down one boy, no, the doctor also. Okay, or anything like that, any person. Then the dash is very intelligent animal. So what is a very intelligent animal? I have written here horse. Next one, the dash marched towards the village, the army. Next one, dash is all about a young boy who wants to be magician. So here this story I have written as a subject. So like this only you all can write down either the same answer, or by yourself you can think and write answer. Okay, and study like that. Okay, nicely. Thank you.